can walk? How? Well, baby goats, it takes a long time for them to walk.
Yeah.
Why is its legs and arms so long? Why
They're
is it
tall,
so
right?
small?
Smart kid.
This is scary. Is it? It's